Hi, my name is Neasa O'Connor and I'm the International Manager for the College of Science, Engineering and Food Science here in University College Cork. And today I'm joined by Dr. Marcus Claesson, who is the Program Coordinator for the Masters in Bioinformatics and Computational Biology. And Marcus is going to just tell us a bit more about the program and why you should be interested and consider applying this year with us. So thanks, Marcus, for joining me. I'm going to get straight into the questions. So I suppose, first of all, a question I'm always asked on fairs is what makes this program unique?
Well, bioinformatics is one of the most interdisciplinary field out there, and this MSc program is truly interdisciplinary. So the incoming students have a wide range of backgrounds. They could have different types of life sciences, or they could come from the computing background or the math, stats, or engineering.
Yeah, so really it's the kind of different diversity in the background. So it probably makes the kind of class quite interesting as well. So great. Another thing as well is I'm always asked about the job opportunities. And for people perhaps of international students, they mightn't be aware that Cork is a huge life sciences and pharmaceutical and biotech hub. So it'd be great if you could give me a bit more information maybe about the industries and the job titles or the job positions that graduates end up in.
Yeah, it's really quite a mix. People end up in either in a big or small company or somewhere in between. It's anywhere really where data analytics or bioinformatics is needed. So this could be an academic spin-out, it could be a semi-state organization or a multinational in food, pharma, or biotech. Some even end up in totally different companies that have nothing to do with life science, just because they have already proven that they have these analytical skills and that they can already cross over into other disciplines.
Okay, great, perfect. And obviously data analytics at the moment is a hugely popular field for students. I suppose for students interested in this area, can you explain how your program compares or contrasts to that?
Sure. So these bioinformatics students, they will learn how to analyze very large data sets. So they will get first of all, they will get a great introduction to statistics and computer science if they are life scientists, or they will get introduction to molecular biology if they come from the hard scientists. And then they will get lots of tools for their so-called analytical toolbox, such as programming in Python or stats or visualizations in R. They'll also learn a bit of machine learning and data mining. And these tools can all then be applied on large omics data, either in the practicals or in the research projects.
Okay, great, thanks. I think that's a huge kind of valuable information for people interested in that area. So another question that I'm asked is there's a 4-month research project, if I'm correct. So could you maybe give me some examples of what students have done for this research project,
Sure.
Just to kind of excite some students?
Yeah, so most students will end up working quite closely with academic PIs on genuine problems that these PIs need bioinformatic solutions to or bioinformatic expertise. So it could be about analyzing the microbiome to compare healthy and sick people, or it could be to find out what makes microbial pathogens dangerous. It could be working on cancer omics data, or even to collect zoology data from various marine environments. Some other students will, during the project, also develop and improve bioinformatics software tools or compare existing ones.
Okay, perfect. No, you can see again, it's not just the broad backgrounds that students are coming from, but also obviously the projects are really diverse as well that people end up doing, which is really interesting. My last question for you today, so we're nearly finished, is just about, I suppose, what do students really love about the program, or what are they most interested in when they get involved in the masters?
Yeah, so after having talked to students who graduated and looking at student surveys, what they really like is to develop knowledge and skills from the complete opposite of their undergraduate study. So, and also to work with real life complex data sets that can be used to progress cutting edge research. And also to, of course, to develop contacts with future employees in either academia or industry. So life science students, they often see this MSc as kind of a backdoor into an IT career, whereas the stats or math or computer science students would like to find maybe more meaningful applications, like improving health for their IT skills.
Thanks, Marcus, for all the information today. I really appreciate it. I think for students listening to us today, you know, this is an opportunity to study a master's where you're going to be in a class where students are all from very diverse academic backgrounds, but also you're going to be involved in a broad range of projects. And you can see that the applications are quite endless across different sectors, IT, you know, data science, I suppose, and life sciences, health and food. So wonderful opportunity to study here in UCC. So if you're interested, we'll send the link as well. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.